Hey guys, welcome back to Diamond Candy TV. I know it has been a while, but I've been trying to get my stuff together for 2019. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this, but Happy New Year's to everybody. I miss y'all so much. I can't wait to get back into making content. As you can see, I have a new background and everything. I am ready for the new year. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm trying to get out. It's like, what time is it? Like 10:30 on New Year's Eve, so I'm trying to get out. But I wanted to do this intro really quick. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my Hergivenhair clips. I did a video in the past and you guys wanted a more detailed tutorial, so here it is. And I just didn't want my hair to be regular for 2019 going into it. I wanted a little bit of length, you know, go out there stunting a little bit, So yeah, I decided to put in these clips, and I'm not going to do anything special, just show you how I install them. If you've been watching my channel, if you watched my previous video, you would know that I'm struggling with some like damage in the front of my hair, so I also didn't want to do anything that put any tension on my hair because I really want it to pop back. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. But first, let me thank Hergivenhair for sponsoring this video. You guys know that I love them. But yeah, big shout out to them, and let's get right into the tutorial. So just a little bit about this hair. I use 2 bundles of the curly 3B 3C texture, and I get 18 inches. The color is a natural color, so I always go in and dye it to match my current hair color. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. The link for everything will be in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. And once I dye the hair, it's ready to go. So my hair is freshly washed, and I'm going in and parting out my first section for my first clip, and this is the section, and I'm using a 2-clip weft for this section, and I just clip that in. I find that my hair blends better when I do twists instead of a wash and go, so I'm just wetting my hair and going in with this curl enhancing smoothie, brushing that through, and then going in with this Frizz Free Curl Mousse by Shea Moisture as well, and raking that through and then twisting my hair up. And for my next section, I'm doing the same thing but using a 3-clip weft.
Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth.
Then for my next section, I'm using a 4-clip weft and twisting that up, and then using a 5-clip weft for the next one.
Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught.
And for this last crown section, I'm using another 5-clip weft and twisting up the hair. And I didn't do it here, but I would suggest you leave a thin amount of hair on top of your last weft in the back before you start going to the front section, just so you can make sure that that part is covered. So for this section, I'm using a 1-clip weft, and if you see me using 1-clip wefts or 2-clip wefts, it's because I cut them out of the 4-clip wefts just to make everything work out.
What we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if you gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it end? Baby, I could have been him, one of your friends, just to win, make a trip, make a wish, be the one I wish should have been it. Should, could've, would have been.
And for my last section, I just make sure that I have a section of hair to go on top of it to cover the track. And that is it for this section, and I'm tired as hell, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the next section and come back. Now that my entire head is done, this is the only amount of hair that I had left, so I used basically all of the hair from the 2 bundles, and now it's time to go to sleep. Now for takedown, I'm using this 𝗑𝗍 hair and scalp oil on my fingertips and just taking the twist down as normal. I did end up having to sit under my portable dryer, which will be linked in the description box in case anybody wants one. I just took a little nap with it on. It was very convenient, but it took me a while to get these twists dry. And they still were a little bit wet, but we're not gonna talk about that. And once my hair is all fluffed out, I'm going in with this 𝗧ście by KeraCare Moisturizing Healthy Edges. And then I'm going to go on with my Ecostyle Olive Oil Gel just to lay down my edges even more because they got to be slick. And this was my final look for New Year's. My clip-ins gave me exactly the look that I was going for, especially with my dress and everything. So if you are natural, I really suggest that you have some natural hair clip-ins just to switch up your look. The link to mine will be in the description box, like I said. Thank you to Hergivenhair again, and I'll see y'all next time. Mwah. It's gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, no, I'm holding again.